Is it the right time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, November 3, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell so you can stay updated with our latest analysis. You wouldn't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since November 3, 2023, our system has identified SOXL as a buy candidate with a score of 3.96. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. We'll continue to closely monitor this evaluation to see how things unfold in the upcoming days. The ETF is currently in the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term. This presents an opportunity for short-term traders to consider selling, as we can expect a reaction back towards the lower part of the trend. Keep an eye out for a potential breakup at the top trend line at $18.95, as it could indicate a slower falling rate and possibly a trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected minus 28.46% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between minus 45.28% and minus 26.23%. On the other hand, the 12-month trend indicates a 56.49% change over the next 12 months. This could result in a potential return between 25.27% and 168.94%. In terms of price, we could see the ETF ranging from $23.02 to $49.43 after a year. Our latest update for SOXL brings exciting news. A very strong day for SOXL ETF price on Friday. The SOXL ETF price experienced a remarkable increase of 7.61% on the last trading day, rising from $17.08 to $18.38. This marks its 4th consecutive day of gains. It will be fascinating to see if this upward trend continues or if a minor pause is expected in the coming days. On the latest trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 7.2%, reaching a low of $17.50 and a high of $18.76. Over the past 2 weeks, the price has risen by an impressive 10.46%, with 6 out of the last 10 days showing positive growth. Moreover, the volume of shares traded increased alongside the price, indicating a positive technical sign. In total, 360,000 more shares were traded compared to the previous day, totaling 87 million shares bought and sold for approximately $1.60 billion. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $28.75, while the lowest price was $8.42. Currently, the price stands at 36.07% below the 52-week high, which amounts to $10.37, and 95.14% below the all-time high on November 26, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. Here are the signals for SOXL. The SOXL ETF has received buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. However, there is a general sell signal from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. In case of corrections downward, there will be support from the lines at $15.81 and $17.93. If the stock breaks below any of these levels, sell signals will be issued. On Monday, October 30, 2023, a buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point, resulting in a 26.5% increase so far. The rising volume along with the price is considered a good technical signal. There have also been some negative signals issued, which may impact the short-term development. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands show a buy signal 118 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 62 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see the short moving average indicates a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 38 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 34 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. Let's talk about the support levels for the ETF SOXL. Currently, it has support just below today's level at $17.43 and $14.97. When an ETF is testing a support level, there is a risk involved. If the support is broken, the ETF may fall to the next support level. In this case, SOXL has additional support at $17.43. If that level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $14.97 and $14.53. It's important to note that this ETF can experience significant volatility throughout the day. In fact, it is considered to be a very high-risk ETF due to its large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band. Yesterday, it moved $1.26 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 7.2% of its value. Over the past week, the ETF has shown a daily average volatility of 7.17%. Today, let's dive into potential day trading levels for SOXL. If the stock shows an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $18.64. If you're not currently holding any shares, it might be a good idea to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already have the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the other hand, if SOXL experiences a downward movement, it will encounter its first support level at $17.43. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, with the potential for a rebound. Our recommended stop loss for this ETF is set at $17.62, which represents a decrease of 4.12%. This particular ETF exhibits significant daily movements, making it a high-risk investment. However, it's worth noting that a buy signal was detected from a pivot bottom just 4 days ago. Is the SOXL ETF a good investment? Although the ETF is currently experiencing a downward trend, there are several positive short-term signals that indicate a potential buying opportunity. Therefore, we have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF from a sell to a buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is overvalued. On Monday, November 6th, we anticipate that SOXL will open with a decrease of $0.167 and begin trading at $18.21. Before we begin, it's important to understand that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. We highly recommend consulting a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to StockInvest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock and we want to hear your thoughts. Comment below if you agree or disagree with our analysis. We value your opinion. Additionally, we'd like to know your target for the ETF. Share your insights in the comments. If you find this content valuable, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. We appreciate your support. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day from all of us here at StockInvest.